Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ayuverda Says Relax, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos. So today I decided to make an aloe vera fenugreek leave-in conditioner, and I'm just showing you guys the products that I'm using. I'm just using one leaf of my aloe vera, some fenugreek, and then we're going to start the process. So over here I just put about 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in a jar, and then I added some water and I kept it for like 2 days. As you can see, I mistakenly used a plastic bottle and it was a bit smaller than the one I just showed you guys, so I think you guys should try and use a bigger jar, because the seeds really swell up when you are doing this. So moving on, I'm starting with my aloe vera, and I've made an incision inside, and I'm just taking a spoon and I'm using it to scoop out the gel which is inside the aloe vera. I'm not doing it really well because I'm holding the camera as I am doing this, but I just wanted to show you guys the process of doing this. So when I was done, I put this into a container, and this is the results. This is how much gel I was able to get from that leaf alone. So moving on, I'm putting my aloe vera pieces into my blender container, and I'm just going to blend this for a while, then until it's smooth enough to sieve out. Okay guys, so this is the results when I was done. As you can see, it's very smooth and I didn't get that many lumps in after I was done blending. So this is my fenugreek, which has been fermented for 2 days, and as you guys know, there are a lot of benefits to using fenugreek. It promotes hair growth, it also helps with dandruff, and I'm just going to dunk the whole thing into my aloe vera, as you guys will be seeing very soon. Okay guys, so now I'm just mixing everything together. As you can see, the fenugreek became very thick and slimy, sort of. It had this it had a similar consistency to the aloe vera. So after mixing it for a while, I decided to just add a bit more water into the mixture. So that's the water, and I'm just pouring it into the whole mixture. So as you can see, it's a bit looser now as I'm mixing it. So moving on, I have another empty container here, and I'm using a very thin piece of fabric, and I'm just pouring the whole mixture into the container using the thin piece of fabric. So after I was done squeezing it, I'm still in the process of doing so at this point in the video, but you can see how everything is coming out really easily. So this was how it was looking like when I was done. At this point, you can decide if you want to add some essential oils, but I didn't really feel like doing that. But then if you want to, it's still an option. And this is how it was looking like when I put it into my spray bottle. And I didn't use this right away, but then if you would want to keep it for a while, it could only stay up to 7 days without preservatives. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and please do not forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.